Okay, starting off this, positive term series, and then I start to look at, how the terms behaved. Right? So I kind of write it down, and certainly by doing that, it takes some computations. But then what I did is I start looking at the limit of the general term, and if you did that, it would look like this over here. And certainly that limit goes to zero, so the test for divergence doesn't help me out. But where it helps me out, though, it helps me out in noticing that the general term starts to look like something. So I'm going to say it starts to look like this over here. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to put that down. This is over here. That this is going to be n equals 1 to infinity. That this thing sure does look like 1 over e to the nth power. And what do I know about this over here? I know it's a convergent geometric series. This is a convergent geometric series. All right? So I'm going to use that as a comparison. And the way I'm going to do that is by using what's called a limit comparison test. So I wrote that down, and it's going to be, this guy here divided by this guy over here. And it really doesn't look that bad to do. And what I mean by that, the limit doesn't look bad to do. And what's the limit of that going to be? It's going to be this thing over here, all right? What do I know about this series over here converges? What do we use? We use the limit comparison test. Again, you have to evaluate this limit, get that number over there, and that number is certainly a finite number. Thank you.